Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Jyoti Prakash and let's get into the video. So today market closes around 40,700 and also on today's live session I told you that if it trades below 41,100 or round level 14,000 then it may show some large movement here, and today it made slow around 40,580. So if tomorrow market opens flat and opens gap down and shows any kind of negative movement, or it trades below that support level which is 40,600, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around round level 40,400 to 40,150. But let's assume that if it opens a gap up around 40,850 or 40,900, and if it shows any kind of positive movement after that, then you can expect some buying trade here. Target will be around 41,000 to 41,200, and if it wanted to take resistance from that 41,200 level, and if it shows any kind of negative movement, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around 41,000 to 40,900. Let's look into 15-minute candle where you can take trade easily. So in 15-minute candle, you can clearly notice here that it continuously goes down from the last 3 days, and today it also shows some negative movement here. So if tomorrow market opens around that 40,800 or 40,700 zone, and if it crosses below that 40,620 or 600 level, then after that you can expect some selling pressure here. As I said, target will be 40,400. Next time you can set to 40,150. And let's assume that if it opens gap up around 40,800 or 850 and shows any kind of positive movement, or if it sustains above that, then you can expect some buying trade here. And our first target will be obviously round level 41,000. Next target will be 14,200. And if it opens gap down, below 40,500 or shows any kind of negative movement there, then you can also take trade for selling, because it continuously so goes in a negative trend. So if it opens gap down, then it may be continues to go down, then you can expect some selling pressure there. And that's all about Bank Nifty. Now let's look into Nifty in 1-day candle chart. So in Nifty, it also made a negative candle here, and it tried to closes below that 70,800 level. So if tomorrow market opens flat or opens gap down, and if it shows any kind of negative movement below 70,800 level, then you can expect some selling pressure here, because previously it continuously took support from that 70,800 level. So if it breaks that, then there will be so many sellers will be added there, and it may be show some negative movement after closes below that, and target will be around 70,732, round level 70,700. For taking any kind of buying trade, it needs to close above 70,900 or 940. Then after that you can expect some buying trade here. In 15-minute candle, you can clearly notice here that it shows some continuously movement as Bank Nifty, and if tomorrow market opens around 7,860 to 7,820 zone, and it closes below that 7,800 level, then after that you can expect some selling pressure here. As I said, target will be 70,732, round level 7,700. And if it opens gap up, or if it trades above 70,880 or 7,900 and shows any kind of positive movement, then you can expect some buying trade here, and target we can set to 7,950 to 70,975. And if it opens gap down, anything can happen. So if it opens gap down below 70,800 or 7,000 around 7,750 and shows any kind of positive movement here, then you can expect some buying trade here, because previously it took continuously support from that level. Then it may be happen that there will be new buyer added there, so it may be show some positive movement after opening a large gap down. Then we will going to take trade for buying. But as of now, if it opens a large gap up, large gap down, then we will going to wait at least 15 to 20 minutes for any kind of trend confirmation. Then after that we can take trade for buying or selling. And that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. Now let's look into Bank Nifty components, because if you wanted to take any kind of trade in Bank Nifty options, you need to look into Bank Nifty components, because they are providing that throttle to Bank Nifty. And if any of this six or two, if any of those 4 banks shows any kind of positive movement and Bank Nifty also supports that movement, then you can expect some buying trade here, and vice versa for selling. So in HDFC Bank, you can clearly see that it try to closes below that 1640 level. So if tomorrow market closes below that, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around 1620. In ICICI Bank, it also try to closes below that 850 level, because previously it continuously took support from that level. So if tomorrow market opens flat and closes below 850, then you can expect some buying selling trade here. So in SBI Bank, you can also clearly see here that it try to closes below that 520 level. So my suggestion would be, if in 1 or 2 days if it closes below that 520 level, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around 500. Now let's look into Kotak Bank. In Kotak Bank, it also made a negative candle here, but it needs to closes below 722 for taking any kind of selling trade. If tomorrow market opens large gap down and shows any kind of positive movement, then you can take trade for buying, because previously it continuously tried to took support from that level, then it maybe took another time support from that 1720 level. Now let's look into Axis Bank. In Axis Bank, it now trades around that 846 level, but for taking any kind of selling trade, it needs to close below 840 and target you can set to 820. Now let's look into our last bank, which is IndusInd Bank. In IndusInd Bank, you can clearly notice here that it closes below 1120 level. Right now it trades around 1110. So my suggestion would be, if tomorrow market once again try to closes below 1110, then you can shoot some selling pressure here, and our first target will be 1093, and next target you can set to 1080. And for taking any kind of buying trade, it needs to open gap up, or it needs to trade above 1120. Then after that you can shoot some buying trade here. And that's all about today, guys. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel, and let's meet on another video.